student of class 10, and in my previous video I have already talked with you with the NCERT English and biology also. Today I will talk for chemistry, and that is chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. In first chapter you have already studied the various kind of chemical reactions like addition reactions, when two reactant will form and that will two reactant will combine together and it will form a product, and that is called addition reaction. Like C plus O2 CO2, H2 plus O2 H2O, N2 plus H2 equal to NH3, ammonia will form, So these reactions are called addition reactions. Decomposition reaction, when any reactant will broken down. Suppose CaCO3, if it hit the calcium carbonate, what happens? CaCO3 will broken down into CaO plus CO2. So these reactions are called decomposition reactions, And there are a lot of reactions also, like displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, when there is exchange of ion takes place, and that is called double displacement reaction. So these are the neutralization reactions. You already, what is exothermic, endothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? Respiration is exothermic reaction. Why? This is very, very important question. Why respiration is exothermic reaction? Because when we inhale oxygen from surrounding, this oxygen will reach in our, it will mix with the blood and it will reach to a small intestine. In a small intestine, this oxygen will combine with the glucose, In a small intestine, there is a 3 breakdown, because carbohydrate is, protein is converted into amino acids, carbohydrate is converted into glucose, and fat is converted into fatty acids. So oxygen plus glucose, it will form energy. So ultimately you will find that energy has been formed in the small intestine. So we can say that respiration is a exothermic reaction, because we are inhaling oxygen and that is why energy has been formed. Now we will discuss the next chapter, and that is acid, base and salt. This is the chapter number 2 of chemistry. So student, will discuss the second chapter of class 10 chemistry, that is acid, base and salt. Now the question is, what is acid? Acid are those chemical substance which gives H plus ion in water. Acid are sour in taste. Acid will turn blue litmus into red, and the pH of acid, that is less than 7. These are the 4 characteristics of acid. Now the question is, name the some chemical compound of the acid, like hydrochloric acid, HCl, and sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, acetic acid CH3COOH. So these are the acids. There are a lot of acids, oxalic acid, formic acid, methanoic acid. There are a lot of acids. So these are the characteristics of acid. Now the question is, what is base? Base are those chemical substance which gives OH minus ion in water. Base are bitter in taste. Soap. Soap has a very bitter taste. And base will give, the pH value of base is more than 7. And it will turn the red litmus into blue. So these are the characteristics of base. Now question is, what is salt? Salt are those chemical substance which contains one metal and one ion. And what are the base? Some example of base are sodium hydroxide is a base, calcium hydroxide is a base, potassium hydroxide is a base. These are the example of base. Now, what is salt? Salt, commonly we are using salt in our food item also, and that is the sodium chloride is a salt, which contains one metal and one ion. So these are the introduction of this chapter, that is what is acid, what is base and what is salt. Now the question is, what is indicator? Indicator are those substance which tells the characteristics of any substance or solution, that whether it is acidic or basic or neutral, by changing its color. And there are 2 types of indicator. One is natural and another is synthetic. Natural indicator like turmeric, turmeric and litmus. Litmus is extracted from a tree, lichen tree. So litmus and turmeric, and those are the natural indicator, whereas phenolphthalein and methyl orange, these are the example of synthetic indicator which has synthesized in the laboratory also. Now the next topic is, what is pH? What is the full form of pH? P for protein. It's a German word, and the meaning of protein means power. What is the power of solution? Our body works with a pH of 7 to 7.8. And what is acid rain? Acid rain, when the rainwater pH is below 5.6, and it will call acid rain. So what are the harmful effect of acid rain? Acid rain, when rain will form and the pH will become 5 less than 5.6, then what happen? Then when the water will go to the ponds, lake, the aquatic organism will die. This is the harmful effect of acid rain. So pH is a very vital thing which will decide the strength of the any chemical, our body, our dental extraction, fertilization also. You can check the pH of soil also. So pH plays vital role. Why there is a dental extraction? Again, this is very important topic, because when the mouth pH is less than 5.4, because sometimes when we eat the sweets and other things, bacteria will attack in our mouth and that will release acid also. An accumulation of acid that will make a plaque formation also, and that can cause the dental extraction also, because the change of the lesser the pH of the mouth also. So acid plus base, and it will neutralize the salt plus water also. So now the next topic is how hydrogen gas is formed. You know Zn plus H2SO4, Zn4 plus H2. So hydrogen gas will form when you will take the granules of zinc and you will add the diluted H2SO4. It will form uh, salt, that is Zn4 and hydrogen also. Now the question is, what is dilution? What is conc? What is dilute? The dilution is a process, when you will dissolve the acid or base in water. Then per unit volume, the concentration of hydrogen plus ion or hydronium ion, I mean H3O plus or OH minus ion, that will reduce, and that is called dilution. So in laboratory you will be provided a very dilute chemicals like dilute H2SO4 that we have used in the forming synthesis of hydrogen gas also. So today we have discussed this chapter. In my next classes again I will discuss some of the important topics. Thank you very much to all of you. Please like and subscribe my study channel. Thank you very much.